You know you love me, I know you care. You are my love, you are my heart, and we will never ever be apart. Or be an idol, girl, we play, we're just friends. What are you saying? First love broke my heart for the first time, and I was like, baby, 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 oh, like, baby, 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 oh, like, baby, 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 oh, thought you'll always be mine, always. Get closer, and there's nowhere in this world I'd rather be. Time stops, like everything around me is frozen, and nothing matters but these few moments when you open my mind to things I've never seen. 'Cause when I'm kissing you, my senses almost like the puzzle piece I've been trying to find falls right into place. You're all that it takes. My doubts fade away when I'm kissing you. When I'm kissing you, it all starts making sense. All these questions I've been asking in my head, like, are you the one? Should I really trust? Crystal clear it becomes when I'm kissing you. When I'm kissing you, the didn't taste it's like the puzzle piece I've been trying to find. You're all that it takes. So clear it becomes when I'm kissing you. When I'm kissing you, it all starts making sense. And all the questions I've been asking in my head, like, are you the one? Should I really trust? Crystal clear it becomes when I'm kissing you. I'm thinking about you. You know, I'm thinking about you. You know, I'm thinking about you. Do you think about me still? Do ya? And I've been thinking about you. You know, I've been thinking about you. You know, I'm thinking about you. Do you think about me still?